Good day, guys. This set I'm about to show you here, KoinKnight. This is a new arbitrage site. What they do on this site is they base on arbitrage. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, this is the home page. Go to menu here, click on menu here. These are the arbitrage that is available. They have direct arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, and loop arbitrage, intra-exchange and intra-loop. But I'll be talking on these direct arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, and the loop today. Okay, let me click on direct arbitrage. Direct arbitrage. So you can see. Okay. As you can see, this is direct arbitrage. If you want to perform this kind of arbitrage, now what you have to do is, as you can see, it has been written here. You buy this coin. You buy it at HIBTC. Do you get? Now, and you go back and sell it at Coinbase. That means you transfer your coin from here to Coinbase and you sell it at USD market. Do you understand? Now see the minute, the time frame you have to perform the trade. You have 3 minutes 50 seconds to perform it. That means if you can perform this trade within 3 minutes, you'll be making nothing less than 12.9% profit. That means if you are making this trade with $100, you'll be making nothing less than $13 per trade, which is not bad. See, as you can see here, this is another opportunity here. If you are performing this trade, that means you'll be going here, you buy this BTS at MXC, and you'll be selling it at HIT-BTC. If you are to sell this coin you have 12 minutes. Wow, a long minute. You have 12 minutes to perform this trade. That means you can even perform this trade like 4 to 5 times before the trade opportunity will be gone. So, if you can perform this trade before this minute counts down, you'll be making nothing less than 11% of the trade. As you can see, these are the options, the opportunity they have. As you can see, there are so many opportunities here. Sure you understand. Now, let me show you the other one they have. Click on the menu. This is triangular arbitrage. Let me click on triangular arbitrage. As you can see, wow, there is a lot of minutes here. What you do here is you buy this coin at HIBTC and you convert it at Coinbase Pro. You now transfer it to your MXC. Do you get the formula? You buy here, you transfer it here, you convert it to INV to from your Coinbase Pro. Now you transfer it to MXC. This one is kind of it's not that straightforward, but people that are doing arbitrage, I believe you guys will understand. So you buy from here, you convert it to INV or your Coinbase Pro, and you sell it. You sell it here. This is another opportunity here. You buy it here, you convert it here, and you sell it on Binance. Very simple as that. Because I don't want to take our time, I won't be explaining much. These are the opportunities they have. I just click on the site and sign in and check the opportunity yourself. So that's all for today.